Well, it rained. And with that comes, well, the weather. And in today's video, we're gonna see about what we can do to keep that weather out of your side-by-side. Today we have my friend's Polaris General. This is a 2017 model. This is obviously your four-door edition, and it's the 1000cc. This particular model did not come with windows, and he has purchased some from Kemimoto. So I have the opportunity to install them for my friend and maybe do a review. So together we're gonna check them out, see how they hold up, see if they're easy to install, and what comes with everything that you buy. So if you like this, hang out, let's throw some windows on this thing. All right, so this is my first time seeing any of this stuff. This is our wonderful oversized Amazon box with our smaller size box inside. Classic. So here's Kemimoto's package here. Let's get this open, see what we get. So far, I see one big bag. Let's pull this out. All right, we're gonna lose that. Okay, all the good cardboard. So, I have to say, we got some wet wipes. That's good. You never know. You need your wet wipes. That's just kind of scary. Trying to think of what. Maybe I got some epoxy I got to deal with. So, there you go. I'd have to say it is a tight, neat, small little package here. So good for them. We have your typical vinyl. And I want to say there's just going to be two sections here, left and the right. So there's not a whole lot to reveal. I think more of the reveal is going to happen when we get over there to the machine and we start to put this thing on. But it looks like it's just two identical pieces that are mirrored in halves. So let's get to the install. Okay, so one thing I didn't point out over there at the unboxing is they did come with the product manual. So this is Kemimoto's Complete Journey of Dreams. Actually, this is the Complete Journey of Dreams. Who would have thought? So, man, we got to venture out for ourselves, don't we? Check it out. So it says estimated time 30 minutes. For me, and having to video this is probably going to be like 2 days. No, it'll probably be pretty quick. So before you begin, read the instructions. That's what we're doing. After you read these instructions, further refer to more instructions, basically. We're going to do that. Notice to create relatively sealed, warm environment, the product should be used with the vehicle roof in front and windshield. I don't know. Okay. Clean and care. We're gonna product information. That one's that's irrelevant. Here we go. Installation tips. I should have skipped to this one. So Kemimoto installation tips. Loosely attach the hook and loop straps to the vehicle frame in order not to over tighten the straps at this time. So they want us to hang it up around the top frame right here first, and we're gonna go around, and then it's looking like, guys, we're gonna be sticking some Velcro to the bottom of this thing. The Velcro is what's gonna hold it to the doors. So I hope that's what you were looking for. Here we go. Okay. Well, we are working on it. What I'm noticing is that I might have to maybe loosen some slack on this roof if I can't get my fingers through that top bar to get the straps through. So I will let you know, but as of now I'm just kind of slowly working every one of the little Velcro straps through every little bit. Each one of your machines might be variable difference. If you got a different custom windshield on it that the brackets are in a different place, you might have to wiggle that around. It's a universal thing, but it's also specifically made for this unit, so that's what you get. So far, not really any complaints. I'm just trying to figure out where it all goes, but we'll be there. All right, so I'm looking here. They said if that strap right there interferes with some of your stuff, it can be removed, and there's like a sticky pad right here behind it, so you can stick the sticky pad. It kind of conflicted, but I was able to move it. I'm curious on where these are supposed to line up. I would imagine you'd want them to line up inside the seam here, so I'm trying to get them to rotate around, hopefully, to be inside, because you don't want the weather to catch. But then they're not tight, so I don't know. We're working on it. That's why I went back to the instructions to kind of see. Okay, that was the special trick right there. That last one, because I'm not getting a whole lot of slack back here, I kind of reached on the inside and I reached on the outside, and I like gave it the shimmy, and I took it from the outside edge and I shimmied it all the way up to the corner. So pro tip, hopefully that helps. Okay. All right, so it looks like I'm gonna have to give some slack here in the back window, so I'm gonna get the tools I need to open that up. Well, that was a pill. I'm gonna button up the windows and everything on the back, but for now I'm gonna move over to this other side. But before I do, I'm gonna jump in here and get in there, and I'm gonna do that center. See if I can get it. I guess. I'm kind of concerned on how you get in and out. Looks like we Velcro the bottom, and then you have a big zipper here. It gives you just enough space to kind of swing the door open and duck your head out. I don't know. I can't have an opinion yet, so we'll see. Alright, I did want to come in real quick and kind of film putting the Velcro on, because it's going to be a chore. So they got the double sticky side stuff here. Just line it up, peel off the back, stick it where you want. I'm going to prep this really good to have the best chance to stick. Nice clean rag and some Windex. Get all the gook off. I'm going to use that alcohol wipe that they gave us too. Give that. I might even get my heat gun. I got like an air dryer to heat this up a little bit. Not much, but just enough, because it's kind of cold today. So. All right, you guys, well, we got them all on there. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Not too bad overall. I'm going to say, you know, every machine's going to be a little different depending on which model you have, but this particular one was fairly easy. Like I said, I just had to loosen up the top, and seeing how we have a window in the back, we had to loosen that up to get these straps in. So overall, I think it's pretty cool. We're going to look and see if we can see these mirrors when we're in there, because it does have this big panel. So how we do it is you get in, you take your zipper, zip it out of the way, right? Make sure there's a 2-tab Velcro kind of thing right here. Unhook that, and then you got, I guess doing it one-handed is awesome. Okay, make sure it's all the way zipped down, then you can get your dexterity to get in here. We're gonna climb in and see what it's like. So there's the door. Get our zipper up. Let's see, I want the window on the inside. Oh, that made it a whole lot easier. Gonna see, yeah, window on the inside, Chris. There we go. All right, I'm gonna call that secure. Here's the flappies, I guess, for the summertime. I'd imagine in the summer you're probably just gonna take this thing off. The sound dampening is for real, that's for sure. You definitely can tell you're in a plastic bubble. So let's back this thing out and see what the sound's like while we're driving around. At least I can see this mirror, but I'm not seeing much of that mirror over there anymore. But there's no wind. I know I have a windshield. There's a little bit of air gap right here, or at least there's a light gap, but I'm not feeling any breeze coming through it. Alright, we're doing 25 now, and I can feel just a little bit of air coming through there. It could be just a fitment thing. I need to adjust it so it doesn't capture the air. Alright, I want to show you what I'm talking about. So right here I got just a little bit of a gap. Not too bad. It sealed up pretty good. I think it's just a little bit of adjustment on those straps and we can make it button up a lot tighter. But all in all, I think it's pretty good. See over here, looks way better. So just got to mess with it, but I already feel warmer sitting in here. There's no air blowing on me. I think that's a big plus. For the price, compared to some of the other ones, oh yeah. All right, now we got the exit procedure. I'm gonna find my zipper. Make sure you zip it all the way down. Gonna kick the window out. There we go. I'm going to make sure the window's on the inside. Zip it back up. Nice zipper, I will say. They are YKK zippers, so nice zipper. That's one thing I'm going to say. It's probably going to last pretty good. I always like to see double stitching when I can, but no double stitching here. That's what you get for the expensive stuff. So like I said, we should be able to button up a lot of these as they get fit into place. We could slide them in there and we should be good. All right, you guys, well, there you go. There's a quick install on the Kemimoto windows for this particular model, which, like I said, was a 2017 Polaris General. I don't know, I think they're gonna last pretty good. I'll give you a year review, because the customer is going to be one of my customers for a long time. So we'll keep track on how they do, and we'll keep track on this company. I've been eyeballing them. They have so much stuff. So we'll see if they maybe reach out to me and we can start to review some of their other products. This product was purchased by the customer, so this is a free and honest review. Otherwise, you guys, appreciate you. You guys stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one. You be safe out there.